for them to be healthy at all times, especially my grandchildren, and that they would grow up to be better people and to grow up the way God planned them to be. Oh, that everyone would have good health, that everyone would be granted more years to live in this world. That we would have leaders na talagang may pagmamalasakit sa bansa, not only for their personal satisfaction, for their personal agendas. Nag-isipin naman sana nila talaga ay yung mga tao na bumuboto sa kanila, mga tao umaasa sa kanila na makakatulong sila sa pag-angat sa buhay sa pamamagitan ng mga programa ng gobyerno, ng education for children, for the needy, yung hindi kaya, at sa mga taong bayan din naman, huwag magpadala dun sa 500 piso, 1,000. Alam ko mahirap ang pera, and yung 500 at 1,000 ay pang-grocery na rin yun at pamalengke. Actually, pwede nyo naman tanggapin yun, pero sa puso niyo, iba yung iboto nyo. Yung boto nyo, yung talagang nararapat na alam mo, nararapat na iboto na at manilbihan sa bansa natin. So world peace. Oh, myself. To be granted, more years to live, more years to spend with my loved ones, with my grandchildren.